Hi, I'm Kyle Ackerman, CEO of Advantage Consulting and founder of Traffic Match, where we resolve the identities of the people visiting your law firm's website and increase your profits. So right now you're investing a lot of money every single month to grow your firm. And every day, prospects are visiting your website and they're actively researching you for their injury case. They're in your sales funnel and they're preparing to choose who they're going to hire. Your marketing must be focused on these people and the people that look like them. They're your quickest path to profit, but you don't have any idea who these people are. Traffic Match uses an identity resolution technology, our identity graph, and something called a cryptographic hash to resolve the identity of your website visitors and convert them to a permanent record. By placing our pixel on your website, we're able to match a site visitor's identity through our identity graph. This graph currently contains the privacy-protected identities of 200 million US adults, including 2.5 device IDs and 2.6 email addresses on average per person. We can currently resolve the identities of about 50% of people visiting your law firm's website. Now this is important because someone who's on your website is your best prospect and your quickest path to profit. When you know who they are on a level that no one else does, you can do things that no one else can. You can start creating and building relationships and building trust with your prospects like no one else. You might be thinking, but I can just retarget them on Facebook, so I'm covered. Wrong. All you have is a cookie. Your cookies are platform specific. Google, Facebook and Instagram, Display Network and YouTube, they all dictate how much you can spend, where you advertise, and for how long. They're like your silent business partner you never knew you had or ever even asked for. And whether you like it or not, they own your advertising. So what happens if they decide to increase their marketing costs or change their algorithms? Or maybe determine what you can and cannot advertise? And what about when your website visitors decide to clear their cache or delete their internet browsing history? There goes your precious cookies. Now you're back to square one. You don't have control, but with Traffic Match, you'll finally know who is visiting your website and looking for a personal injury lawyer right now, specifically you. Grow your email list without needing an opt-in. Email retargeting without needing an opt-in. Immediately call or text your site visitors and set up a conversation or even a meeting. Answer any questions that they might have. Use this list of people to deploy a true omni-channel marketing campaign that is immune to cache clearing or algorithm changes. It'll give you complete website traffic insight because you know by name who is actively in your sales funnel. Own and control your first-party data. It's portable and it's permanent. You're paying money every single month to get prospects to your website. You should own and control that data. With Facebook and Google, this data is just a cookie. They know who these people are, but they don't care whether you do or not. Imagine having the power to know the names of these people who are in your sales funnel, knowing them by name, nurturing them while they're in your sales funnel and making sure they end up at your firm versus the next law firm down the street. Future-proof your law firm. Protect yourself against the 5 forces every business competes with. Powerful buyers, powerful suppliers, rivals and competition, substitutes, and the threat of entry. If this is something you want to learn more about, let's chat. I look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you soon.